Hello guys, let's unpack Pokemon with my ate and my kalaro. First unpack, first card. Ito yung dati, di ba?
Oh, original.
Ito yung dati. Oh! OMG!
Yung.
Isang kuha lang eh. Oh, ito rin oh! Wow! Oh! Wow! Meron ako nito eh. Second packet. Yung second packet. Second pack. Take two. Okay. Second pack. Okay. Rumble mo muna, Rustin. Rumble. Rumble. Hanggang 4. Yan. See? Okay. Baliktad mo. 1. Di yan. Di pa yan. Oh! GX! Oh! Grabe, oh, tira mo. Okay. Now, my ate will unpack his first pack po.
Go.
Go. First pack. Ay. Yes. Dali. Andrew. Ayaw. Ito lahat. Thank you. Rumble hanggang 4. Oh, damn. Sobrang Baliktad mo na.
Okay, ready. Oh, Simyo!
EX pa yan. Wala pa yan.
Oh!
V-Star! Viva! Wala. 3, 2.
Argin!
Wala.
Si Argin.
Meron pa ba? Wala na.
Ito pa.
Sige. Second pack.
One, go.
Second pack with my ates Pokemon.
Let's
That
go.
is the first Pokemon card.
Ready.
Baliktarin mo muna.
Okay. So,
1, 2, hanggang 4. Yan.
Okay.
Baliktarin mo na.
Ready.
1. Wala pa yan.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Wala pa.
Okay. Wait.
Wala
Okay.
pa.
Wala pa.
EX. Wala pa.
Okay.
Wala pa.
Ngayon,
Isa na lang.
Ay. Oh, EX din.
EX din. Lugi.
Oh my God.